Alright, so in this video, I'm going to go over some things that you want to be avoiding at all costs. Let's say that you just came across a coin collection or you found a coin out in circulation and you think that it might be rare. The first thing you want to avoid is cleaning your coin. A lot of the coins in this video I'm going to show you are cleaned. Now, logically, it may not make sense, especially if you have a rare coin. You know, you just found a coin and know, oh my gosh, this has a rare date. Old Money Prices went over this video and he said, hey, this is a date that really is going to bring a lot of money for your coin. But the coin's dirty. I want to clean it, because you would think, hey, a cleaned coin is going to be worth more money. In the coin collecting community, dealers, experts, and collectors, they all know that cleaned coins are a bad thing. They're worth a lot less money. Cleaned coins for grading companies are either going to get a cleaned or a details designation on the label. That's pretty much a death wish when it comes to these graded coins. I've seen coins that look really nice, but they're cleaned, and the value of the coin just got demolished. If these coins were not cleaned, they would have brought double, triple, or quadruple the price they would have if they were not cleaned. So let's jump in and go over some coins that are pretty rare. They look nice, but they're cleaned and they didn't really sell for as much money, but they still brought a lot of money. So here's a 1932D quarter, and if you've watched my videos before, you know that the 1932 quarter is the quarter you want to be looking out for. This one is struck at the Denver Mint, but it was cleaned. This one graded as a MS 60, which is so low. Usually the MS grade is going to be between 63 and 70. It's pretty uncommon to hit a 60 grade, but it did because it was cleaned. This coin sold for $1,725. Another thing really quickly you want to avoid is selling your coins to someone that's not reputable. Find someone that you trust, or you can just sell them online, but you're gonna have to do the research so you know that you're gonna get the most money for your coins. Here is another one. This is a 2004D extra low leaf 25 cent Wisconsin quarter. You see there it was graded as an UNC details. UNC means uncirculated. You see it's improperly cleaned. Anytime there's any sort of negative comment on the label of a coin, it's going to destroy the value of the coin. I can almost guarantee this person got this coin, cleaned it, and thought that they would send it off, get graded. It would grade really highly because it was cleaned. There's no doubt in my mind that this person actually lost money here. They sold the coin for $56. Don't get me wrong, that's a lot of money for a quarter, but as soon as you get it graded, you have other costs that you're incurring. Grading costs are not cheap at times, so most of the time when you get a coin graded, it should be worth it. It should be a higher value coin. The thing is also, these coin companies that grade coins, they know what they're looking at. Some people think that they're smart enough to get these things by them, but for all fairness, if this person who cleaned the coin got it by NGC and NGC said, wow, this coin's really nice, and they graded it at a 68, it would have been worth thousands of dollars. But 99.9% of people don't know how to properly clean a coin, and that's because they haven't been in the industry for years and years and years. Even then, it takes a true expert to know how to properly clean a coin. Long story short, trust me on this, do not clean your coins because it will dramatically decrease the value. Let's go into another coin. Here's a 1947S Roosevelt dime that's graded as a PCGS genuine. Again, that is a death wish right there on the label. That's the last thing you want to see on the coin. This coin got demolished. In reality, it would have sold for closer to $500 or $1,000 in my opinion, but it ended up selling for about $50. This is a very sad one here. So this is a 1946 D over D graded at a mint state 60. Now, if you guys know the D over D designation there, you're going to see that on the back right hand side of the coin. That's considered a mint error. So this coin had corrosion on it and they cleaned it and it just destroyed the value. If they would have left it alone, this D over D error would have brought a lot of money. I've gone over coins on my channel where you see that these coins have brought thousands of dollars, but as soon as you clean that coin, it's going to dramatically decrease the value. This coin's sold for $207, which again is a lot of money for a 5-cent Jefferson nickel, but the honest reality is it would have been worth a lot more money. It pains me here, it really does. This is a 1969S 1-cent double die obverse. Obverse meaning the front of the coin. You see the doubling happening there. It's very obvious. And this one was recolored. As you can see on the label there, it says UNC details. That means uncirculated. Someone had the idea to recolor the coin. They thought it would enhance the color. Recoloring, cleaning, anything to alter the coin's original appearance will simply decrease the value. And that is not something that you want on a coin like this, because, even though this coin sold for $20,400, if this coin was left alone and it was not cleaned, not recolored, anything like that, it would have sold for so much more money. The moral of the story is don't clean your coins because it will decrease the value of the coin. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.